So today I'm going to be making the Stress Less Essential Oil Roller Blend. And the inspiration to make this blend came from a friend reminding me that this blend even existed, which I am incredibly grateful to her for, and a podcast that I listened to yesterday with Eckhart Tolle and Oprah. So Oprah was quoting one of Eckhart's books saying, stress is wanting the present moment to be something that it's not, and all suffering comes from that. Stress is wanting the present moment to be something that it's not, and all suffering comes from that. So just take a deep breath, let that sink in. So this blend that we're going to make together, if you want to make it with me, is going to be one of the tools in your tool belt to help you move away from stress and away from worry about the future or regret from the past. This blend is meant to help us de-stress, get into the present moment, and just come back to who we are, come back to the here and now, come back to what's really happening rather than our thoughts taking over. So you'll need lavender oil, peppermint oil, frankincense oil, and your carrier oil of choice. I'll be using coconut oil. You could also use grapeseed, almond, whatever else you have that works for you as a carrier oil today. And you'll need a 10 milliliter roller bottle. So beginning with our lavender oil, lavender is the oil of communication and calm. We are adding 10 drops. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you get an extra drop, do not stress. You were just meant to have an extra dose of that drop. So lavender is calming and soothing to the emotions. It's also a natural antihistamine. So really, really excellent if you suffer from seasonal allergies. Next up, we've got peppermint oil, which is the oil of a buoyant heart. So 10 drops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 drops of good old peppermint. Peppermint also opens the airways. It invigorates the body, the mind, and the spirit. So now we've got 10 drops of lavender, 10 drops of peppermint, and we're going to finally add our frank. We're going to add 4 drops of Frankie today. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, whenever you're making roller bottles, I suggest that you add your essential oils into the bottom and then you add your carrier oil onto the top. So I have my pipette all filled up here with the fractionated coconut oil. Fractionated coconut oil is different than the coconut oil that you may use in your kitchen. Because it has the fat solubles removed, it will stay liquid no matter what temperature it reaches. So it's important that you use fractionated coconut oil in this roller bottle, not your regular cooking coconut oil. So what I'm gonna do is just keep using this pipette to fill up the coconut oil all the way to that first lip. And while I'm doing that, I'll just share with you a couple of ways that you could use this blend on your body. So you can roll it onto the bottoms of your feet. That's where the largest pores in our body are. You can also roll it onto any place you would put perfume. So you could roll it onto your wrists, you could roll it onto your sides and back of the neck, you could roll it right into the crease of your elbow. Once you've got your oil filled up to that first lip there, you're gonna pop your roller top on, and then because it only goes about halfway on naturally, you're gonna take your opener or closer, and one of these 3 holes will fit around the top. So I'm just gonna press the top all the way down, and then you'll see that it's sealed all the way around. Definitely make sure your top is sealed all the way around the glass so that you don't have any leaking happening. And then it's great to get these little cap stickers from a place like Aroma Tools, which is a great online source. And then you can add your stickers right onto the side of your roller bottle. So we have our lavender, which is the oil of communication and calm. We've got our peppermint, There it is. It matches my shirt, which is the oil of a buoyant heart. And I don't know about you, but I had a sticker collection when I was a kid, and I'm very happy to have a reason to have stickers in my life again as an adult. We've got Frankie. So you can add your cap stickers. This is an easy way to know which blend is which. And, you know, if you like this and you want to remake it, you already know what you had in it, because when you start making a bunch of these, it can get confusing and tricky if you don't label them to keep track of which one's which. So I'm just giving it a little shake, 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 giving it a little love. Again, you could roll this onto the sides of the neck, back of the neck, crease of the elbows, wrists, soles of the feet. The oils are so magical. They will start working for you right away. Peppermint has a cooling sensation, so also great in the warmer months or after an exercise or workout or yoga practice or any kind of physical activity that causes you to get warmed up. Peppermint would be a great thing for helping you to cool down. So I made 6 of these. If you'd like to get one, they're going to be $20. You can Venmo me 20 bucks and just make sure I have your address so I can pop this in the mail. If you're local, I'll probably just pop it on your porch for contactless delivery. And I think that's it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, just reach out to me. I'm here to help, and I hope you have an awesome rest of your day.